Big news for e-reader fans. Amazon's brand new Kindle Scribe models are finally here, just in time for the holidays. Back in September, Amazon unveiled 3 new scribes, and 2 of them, the Kindle Scribe Color Soft and the Kindle Scribe with front light, are now available to buy. So, what's new? Well, a lot. These scribes feature a larger 11-inch screen, but in a similar sized body, thanks to smaller bezels. They're also slimmer and lighter. Under the hood, a new custom processor delivers a 40% performance boost, making everything feel The flagship is the Kindle Scribe Color, which starts at $630. Remember the slight yellowing issue on the smaller Color Soft last year? Amazon seems to have fixed that with a new advanced display design. I've been testing it, and even with the front light cranked up, the screen looks uniform and clean. I'll be diving deeper in my full review, so stay tuned.